Hello guys, so in this video we're going to show you how to install the AdamaScript software. First of all, we have to type in the AdamaRobotics.com, which will bring us to our website Adama Robotics. And then once you're in the website, you have to come here for AdamaScript tab and then go to installing AdamaScript. Once you're here, you can see on the page that there are two links given. The first link where we can download our software, and the second one is for instructions. So you can go to the instructions page and read it, or just watch the video. So once we're here in the Dropbox link, so you will see some folders and files for the build software. There is a long manual, there are some sample programs in the code, and there are some mobile apps. Okay, so let's go to the AdamaScript software page. Once you're here, this is the instruction manual. We don't need it. Just press on the AdamaScript software.exe, which is a 161 megabyte file. Just download it. So just give it some time. So as you can see at the bottom here, so it's going to take a bit of time to download. So we will give it a minute. Okay, so a minute or two. So let it download in the background. So I'll just give you a quick idea of what exactly is AdamaScript. So AdamaScript is a visual programming language where you can drag and drop your codes and do some amazing things. Okay, so our program, like the AdamaScript, here you could go to the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and install it. So let's say it's already done, the installation, so we can just run it. Once we run it, it will give us the setup wizard. So the setup wizard is asking us where we would want to install it. So I'll just install it in the program files. So just press next. I want a desktop shortcut. Just press next and then install. So it will be a minute before it downloads it. So I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to do it anymore. So I'll just cancel that one. You could follow the same procedure. Come here and download. And once you finish downloading, so the installation will be done in no time. So give it a couple of seconds. So it's almost done. So when it's done, just press launch or finish. Okay. So the AdamaScript is loading now. So this is the IDE AdamaScript, as you can see here. So this is how you can install the AdamaScript, guys. Thank you so much for watching.